Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Lenovo Tab M10 tablet. In this video, you will learn how to turn off power button to end calls in your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. Suppose if you have activated power button to end calls, that means if you are in a call, I am in a call now. Instead of using the soft key, if you use power button, it will end the call. Okay. So if you would like to turn off this option, that is, if you click on power button, you should not end call. Okay. So what you got to do is just you got to turn off that feature power button to end calls. What you got to do is just go to the settings of your tablet here, then go to accessibility here, and then here select power button to end calls. Power button ends call. Just to turn off this button. Already it is turned on. You have to turn it off so that hereafter if you are in a call, whether it is incoming call or outgoing call, no matter, just if you use hereafter power button, it will not end the call. Okay. You should use the soft key to end the call. Okay. So in this way you can easily turn off power button ends call in your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.